Atkins Civil 3D video series, existing 3B, existing TIN surface with aerial. This video illustrates A. Insert break lines and boundary into aerial TIN. B. Erase aerial TIN triangles within boundary. C. Extend break lines to aerial TIN. D. Explode aerial TIN, which will convert the TIN to aerial break lines. E. Create existing surface with aerial TIN. F. Add break lines and boundary. G. Create surface data shortcut. In the existing surface drawing that was created from the topo survey points, make a separate drawing of the break lines and boundary objects. Turn off all layers, LA enter, right click all, visibility off, thaw, and turn on layer C3D existing break lines and boundary. Close layer manager. Use right block command, WB enter, browse, drawings reference, enter break lines, dash boundary, .dwg, save, select objects, select all the break lines and the boundary, enter, pick point, leave it 0, 0, OK, include AutoCAD map, no. The current drawing displays the TIN triangles of the surrounding area that were created by an aerial survey. The topo survey boundary and break lines are also shown. The topo survey is combined with the aerial TIN triangles to create an existing surface that extends well beyond the limits of the topo survey. Zoom window, ZW enter. Freeze the EX break line layer. The TIN triangles within the topo survey boundary and adjacent to the outside of the boundary are erased. Use erase command E enter. Use crossing window to select as many triangles at one time as desired. For this video, the drawing after removal of the TIN triangles inside the boundary is shown. Freeze the EX boundary layer. Explode the TIN triangles. X, enter. Select all the TIN triangles. Enter. Yes. Save as aerial break lines drawing. Aerial break line. .dwg, save. Use layer control to thaw the EX break lines layer. Pick EX break lines to set it as the current layer. Zoom window, ZW enter. Extend the break lines to the TIN triangles. Line command L enter. With snap on, pick endpoint of a break line, pick vertex of a triangle. Enter to stop line command. Repeat for other break lines. For this video, the drawing after the break lines have been extended is shown. The survey points drawing is displayed. Save as, SA enter, existing, surface, with aerial, .dwg, save. Create TIN surface, home ribbon, ground data panel, surfaces, create surface, type TIN surface, surface layer, select the C3D surface aerial, OK, name, existing, surface, with aerial, OK. The existing surface with aerial is shown in Prospector with no properties. Add points to the surface, expand the surface, expand definitions, right-click point group, add, topo elevation, add. The surface that is created is displayed. To add the break lines, insert the aerial break lines drawing. Enter. Browse, select the aerial break lines drawing, open, explode, insertion point at 0, OK. Turn off all layers except break lines, layer command, LA enter, right click all, visibility off, turn break line layers on, aerial break lines, existing break lines, close layer manager. In definitions, right click break lines, add description aerial break lines, type standard, no weeding, OK. Use Windows to select all break lines. Depress enter. Clear events and close panorama. Turn on all layers. Right click all, visibility on, close panorama. Zoom extents, ZE, enter. Add the TIN boundary. In definitions, right-click boundaries, add, name, area boundary, type outer, non-destruct, OK. Pick the aerial boundary, polyline, freeze layers, aerial boundary and break lines, aerial boundary, break lines, EX boundary, EX break lines, EX10, all the survey points. Close layer manager. The existing contours are shown. Create data shortcut, save drawing. In Prospector, right-click data shortcut, create data shortcut, select existing surface with aerial, OK. Since the project base drawing has been XREF'd into the base drawing for each category improvement, road, drainage, water, and sewer, the project base drawing should be updated shortly after the existing topo and existing surface data shortcuts have been created so that they will be available for use in the other category improvement drawings. The current project base drawing has been updated using the procedures illustrated in video reference existing to XREF the existing topo and DREF the existing surface into the drawing. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.